Okay, let us solve this set maths question. It is given as if x plus y is equal to 10, xy is equal to 20, find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y. Now, if you look at this part, I can simplify this. This is 1 by x plus 1 by y. What I'm going to do is to take the LCM. So here LCM is x and y. So I need to multiply y over here. And of course, when I multiply y with the denominator, I also need to multiply it with numerator. I need to multiply x over here and then I need to multiply x with numerator as well. So this is y plus x divided by xy. Xy, yx, one and the same thing. Y plus x plus y, this is also the same. This is basically x plus y divided by xy because the addition follows the commutative property. So I have x plus y is 10, xy is 20. Comes out to be 1 by 2 or 0 point. Thank you.